now Major B.J. Raman is going to demonstrate how to get eliminated our joint pain. Nowadays it has become the critical. So he will explain and he will demonstrate. Let us get benefit from him.
To avoid knee and ankle pain, I will be demonstrating a very simple exercise. Now, number one exercise, bending the knee. Bend one knee at a time. Keep it for 60 seconds. Then the other leg, do the same thing for 60 seconds. And demonstrate the other simple exercise for ankle joint pain. It is a very simple thing. You just put step forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you come back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the end of the exercise. Very simple.
So today you have seen how sir has performed. It is based on his pure experience along with the study. I hope my viewers will be benefited by learning this. If you are old age, you must practice this. This is very easy. And thanks for watching Living Happily.
Thank you.
Thanks, sir.
Please have the